त्योहारों के इस मौसम में आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। दोस्तों, देयर इज समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल अबाउट द आर्ट ऑफ गिविंग। जी, आपने सही सुना, गिविंग, किसी को कुछ देने की कला। I completely agree that, like any other art form, not many are naturally blessed with it. It does take a special ability to be selfless, to genuinely get satisfaction by generating a smile on someone else's face. ये वो खुशी, वो सुकून है जो किसी को कुछ देकर भी कमाई जा सकती है। I confess, मेरे पास इस हुनर की थोड़ी सी कमी है। In fact, I find it extremely difficult to let go of things. But yes, I am extremely blessed at having been at the receiving end of some truly generous acts. 10 वर्ष पहले कौशिक और मैं दक्षिण भारत के सांस्कृतिक शहर चेन्नई में स्थित थे। चेन्नई, जिसका बस नाम सुनते ही स्मृतियों का एक सैलाब सा उमड़ पड़ता है। We truly owe so much to this warm city. Its lovely people and their endearing Tamil culture as a whole. एक दशक तक हमारे लिए चेन्नई घर जो था और चेन्नई वासी हमारे परिजन। पता ही नहीं चला कब तमिल संस्कृति हमारा एक अभिन्न अंग बन गया। T Nagar is the bustling shopping district of Chennai, and more specifically Ranganathan Street, which is arguably home to the grandest and biggest sari emporiums in the country. RNKV, Pothys, Kumaran Silks, Sarvana, Nalli. There were perhaps dozens of them, making it nothing short of a paradise for sari lovers like me. कुछ अभी ही की तरह त्योहारों का मौसम था। And to make it more special, Raka, our son's arrival, was barely a few months away. Though I generally relish any sari purchasing spree, being pregnant obviously meant that it was getting a bit more tiring than usual. हम उस वक्त नल्ली में थे और पता ही नहीं चला कब देर हो गया। We hardly realized that it was well past 9 by the time we were at the payment counter. Unfortunately, we just couldn't manage to book a taxi back to Ayapanthangal. साधारणतः हम पब्लिक बस की ही सवारी करते हैं, परंतु गर्भावस्था में और इन त्योहार के भीड़-भाड़ के कारण ये जरा सा कठिन प्रतीत हो रहा था। Reluctantly, we walked to the nearby bus stand. There, standing amidst the crowd, was a balding gentleman, flashing his big, warm smile at us. मैं झट से उन्हें पहचान गई। ये तो वही हंसमुख सज्जन थे जो कुछ समय पूर्व धैर्यपूर्वक हमें नल्ली में एक से एक बढ़कर सुंदर रंगीन डिजाइनर साड़ी दिखा रहे थे। We immediately struck a conversation and realized he was also headed towards Porur and would take the same bus route as ours. After almost a 30-minute wait, we saw a packed 49A bus approaching. तब तक लगभग 10:30 बज चुके थे और घर तक जाने का अन्य कोई साधन नहीं था। हम हिम्मत जुटाकर किसी तरह बस की सीढ़ियां चढ़ गए. I had just managed to find a relatively safe corner at the rear end of the bus when Kaushik noticed someone frantically waving his hands and gesturing towards us from the front of the bus. It was the same Nalli employee who had rushed in ahead of us and to our absolute surprise had managed to keep a comfortable seat for me. हालांकि इस बात को घटे 10 साल बीत चुके हैं, फिर भी उन हंसमुख सज्जन का चेहरा आज भी हमें स्पष्ट याद है और शायद हमेशा रहेगा. For us, he is synonymous to Chennai and all the goodness associated to the wonderful city. Chennai will eternally remain special for this one person because of Suja, Neeti, Harish, Sudarshan, Alex again, Uday Kumar ji, Baba sir, and so many others who went out of their way to make us feel special. These small acts of generosity makes us who we are and how we are perceived by others. Festivals are occasions to spread happiness, to give. So, this festive season, let's lighten up someone else's face and make them remember you. This is being you. Namaskar.